इंट्रोड्यूसिंग एंटी-एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट फेशियल विद कोलेजन बूस्ट। फेशियल प्रोसीजर को शुरू करने से पहले लेट मी टेल यू द पर्पस ऑफ नेचर्स एसेंस एंटी-एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट फेशियल विद कोलेजन बूस्ट। ये फेशियल उन लोगों के लिए परफेक्ट है हु वांट फर्म स्किन विद अ यूथफुल ग्लो। इस फेशियल की सबसे खास बात यह है कि ये हर स्किन टाइप के लिए सूटेबल है, especially for the skin showing early signs of aging. ये फेशियल किट बनी है खास एंटी एजिंग इंग्रेडिएंट से, जैसे कि हाइलुरोनिक एसिड, नियासिनामाइड, एप्पल एंड शुगर केन एक्सट्रैक्ट, ग्रेप सीड ऑयल। तो शुरू करते हैं फेशियल विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप, विच इज क्लेंजिंग। हल्के हाथों से आईज और लिप्स के मेकअप को क्लीन करें। फेस और नेक से मेकअप और बाकी सारी इम्प्योरिटीज हटाएं। Use small upward and outward strokes to remove dirt, dust and makeup. For better results, use करें ये खास expert pro tip. Pay special attention to the corners of the nose, hairline, chin and neck. Cleansing of these unattended areas आपको दे सकता है 3 गुना बेहतर results. Remove the excess cleanser using a moist cotton or tissue. Cleansing के बाद करें detanning. ये pre-facial prep detan therapy wipe-off mask helps remove tan from the deepest layers of the skin. Apply the mask as a thick and even layer all over the face using a brush. Leave it on for 15 minutes. For better results, our experts advise massaging the detan mask using circular strokes. Ideally, massage it for 2 minutes, just before removing the mask. End this step by removing the wipe-off mask with moist cotton. Detan के बाद next step है scrubbing. Anti-aging scrub को evenly moist face और neck पे लगाएं. Use gentle circular upward and outward strokes with your fingertips to scrub off impurities and dead skin. Use light, gentle strokes only. For better result, use करें ये खास expert pro tip. Scrub the ears, back locks and back of the neck to remove dead skin. Use moist cotton or wet tissue to remove the scrub. Moving on to the next and one of the most important steps, which is the massage. Add a few drops of serum to activate the massage cream and mix it well. Take sufficient amount of anti-aging massage cream on your fingertips and apply it all over your face and neck in dots. Massage using upward and outward circular strokes. Use your thumb to massage the sides of the nose and the under eye area. Here's a pro tip जो मसाज को और भी रिलैक्सिंग बना देती है. Massage the jawline and the neck area to improve blood circulation and flush out the toxins. The next step calls for anti-aging face pack. Apply the face pack as a thick and even layer all over the face using a brush. Leave it on for 10 minutes. In summers, dip the eye pads in ice-cold water with a few drops of rose water. Place the soaked cotton pads over your eyes for soothing and cooling effect. While in winters, dip the eye pads in room temperature water with a few drops of glycerine. Place the soaked cotton pad over your eyes to calm them. For best results, wipe off the face pack before it dries up. This ensures that the pack does not soak up the skin's natural moisture. Remove the pack with a moist cotton pad. Finish करें facial with the last step, the anti-aging serum. Anti-aging serum को पूरे face and neck पे apply करें. Massage gently using the fingertips. Leave it on for it to get completely absorbed. See the before-after results. For best results, recommend 3 to 4 sitting of the anti-aging treatment facial.